Okay, welcome back. Our discussion for today is the continuation of the topic, the learner. No? So let's discuss the Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. Okay, so this theory is more of the differences na meron yung mga learners. No, this explains more about them. So the learner is gifted with intelligence. Now, the concept of intelligence evolved through the years. And intelligence then was measured only in terms of language and mathematical competence. No? Kung sino yung magaling magsalita, siya lang yung matalino. Kung sino yung magaling mag-solve ng mga math problems, sila din yung matalino. However, with Howard Gardner's theory on multiple intelligences, the concept of the learner's intelligence has gone beyond linguistic and mathematical intelligences. Meaning to say, marami pa yung yung kinds of intelligences na meron yung isang bata. No, so there are 7 more intelligences in addition to linguistic and mathematical intelligences. And this includes the naturalist, spatial intelligence, linguistic, intrapersonal intelligences, musical intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, and interpersonal intelligence. Okay, so let's discuss muna yung pinakauna, the verbal linguistic intelligence. So I think it's not included here. No, it's included, but it's under the linguistic. No, it could also be verbal linguistic. No, when we say verbal linguistic, okay, it means that the learners find the right words to express what he or she means easily. No, madali sa kanya yung pag-figure out, no, or pag-express ng kanyang sarili. That's verbal linguistic intelligence, no. So they have the ability to speak effectively, and they could be a teacher, religious leader, politician, or write effective or poet, journalist, and even novelist. No, sila yung mga mga taong merong verbal linguistic intelligence. No? Okay, so that's it. And then we have also the logical mathematical intelligence. These people are able to quantify things, make hypotheses, and prove this hypothesis. No? Sila naman yung, they have the ability to work effectively with numbers. And somehow they are the accountants, statistician, and economist, and also they have the ability to reason effectively, just like the engineer, scientist, computer programmer. No, sila yung mga may logical mathematical intelligence. And then we have also the spatial intelligence. No, they have the ability to create visually and visualize accurately. No, sila yung mga artist, photographer, engineer, also decorator, tour guide, scout ranger. No, sila yung mga may spatial intelligence. And then meron din tayong bodily kinesthetic. No, sa bodily kinesthetic naman, they have the ability to use, no, the hands to fix or create, just like the mechanic, surgeon, carpenter, sculptor, mason. No? And they have also the ability to use the body expressively, just like the dancer, athlete, and actor. Again, sila yung my bodily kinesthetic intelligence. And then we have the musical intelligence. When we say musical intelligence, they have the ability, no? Yung mga taong to, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, they have the ability to use the musical intelligence pala, rather, they have the ability to create music and analyze music. So obviously they are the songwriters, composer, musicians, and music critics, no? Again, they have the musical intelligence. And then we have also the interpersonal intelligence. And then in this kind of intelligence, the people here who have in interpersonal intelligence, they have the ability to work with people, no? And help people identify and overcome problems, no? Sila yung mga taong yon. Just like the managers, teachers, therapists, psychologists. And then we have also the intrapersonal intelligence. They are those people who have the ability to meditate, reflect, exhibit self-discipline, maintain composure, and get the most out of oneself. Um, they have the ability to understand, no, and they have they have the strength of setting goals, assessing personal abilities and liabilities, no, and monitor their own thinking. That's the intrapersonal. And under that is the naturalist intelligence. Dito naman, they have the people under here, or yung mga taong may ganitong klaseng intelligence, they have the ability to analyze ecological and natural situations and data. Sila yung mga ecologists, mga rangers, no? And they have also the ability to learn from living things. Kasi ang involved sa naturalist ay yung mga natural objects, plants, animals, and naturally occurring patterns, no? So, basically, these are the people na mga botanists, veterinarian, no? Zoologists, and etc., no? That's the naturalist intelligence. Okay, so those are the intelligences, no, under the multiple intelligences of Howard Gardner. So please don't forget those kind of intelligences or those types of intelligences. And in addition, meron din tayong tinatawag, yung pinaka-last, no, na dinagnag niya, the existential intelligence. When you say existential intelligence, ang taong may ganitong kind of intelligence has the ability to reflect on the meaning of human existence. Kumbaga, inclined siya sa sensitivity to deep questions about human existence, such as the meaning of life. Tinatanong niya palagi, bakit ba tayo nandito sa mundo? Bakit kailangan nating mamatay? Bakit nandito tayo? Paano tayo in the future? Yun yung existential intelligence, no, na meron yung isang tao, no? So that's it. Kumbaga, they keep on asking about their existence. That's the existential intelligence. Okay, so I think that would be all for the multiple intelligences.